Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to make Chrome browser your default browser. The method is very simple. Just go to start menu, then go to settings. After that go to the apps section, then here you can see the default apps option. Click on it. Go down, as you can see the web browser option. Microsoft Edge is the default browser right now. Click on it and here choose the browser you want to make your default browser. In my case I am going to make it Google Chrome. Switch it anyway, and as you can see the web browser is Google Chrome right now. This is my default web browser. So guys, if this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.